Hello everybody and welcome back to Fallout 4. I am on the mission, I think the first mission you get with the railroad. You got Deacon, or Duncan, Deacon, let me see, Deacon, yeah, Deacon over here. And we are going to search the old,
probably close.
Fucking, what is it, railroad base that. Who are you? Who are you? Alright, you're feral. Kill you. Kill you too. And if y'all are wondering why I just one-shot both of these ferals. Wrong button. Fuck. There it is. I am using a weapon mod. It's, I got it in the cheat room. Now y'all might be thinking, oh, you know, he's cheating at the game. I can still die very easy. See my health over there, my fucking power armor. I had just the cheat room over here, and all I took was a weapon, and I wanted the jetpack torso, so I went and I got that. All the rest I farmed up and I got. And the only other two mods I had was to find the John Marston pistol because I am a huge fan of Red Dead Redemption. The rest and the maggot. This is just it's a type of, it's supposed to be a laser Gatling, but it shoots the maggots that boat flies shoot. Disgusting. I know. Okay. But the rest... Where did it fucking go? Here it is. Alright, the rest is unmodded. The other mod I have is not a bad mod. It's just no build limit for those times where I just want to go and play something like The Sims, kind of, but on Fallout. And just build a bunch of stuff. Okay, and I'm not too sure how the quality is gonna be on this video.
You take point on the conversation. Look,
I don't. What the fuck is that?
says you just say mine is in the shop. Trust me.
Where is the shop? I have no fucking clue how the quality is gonna be on here. I'm using just like a cheap PS4 headset that I got because my other one broke. Of course, I was playing Doom online with my friend, and my headset broke because I got mad and I went and I forgot that I had the headset, and it yanked out and I accidentally stepped on it and it broke. So I went and I bought this cheap $15-$20 headset from Walmart, and from what I heard, the quality's kind of good. I'm sorry if it's incredibly bad for y'all. I haven't heard it much yet, but I will get a new one shortly. And I need to hurry up and get fucking body armor on you. Yeah, I accidentally shot her, and from how much damage this little shit pistol does, it's actually pretty fucking good. Alright, let's go.
Hey.
Hey.
You have a Geiger counter?
Do you have a Geiger
counter?
counter?
You have a goddamn Geiger counter?
Mine is in the shop.
Who the hell is he? HQ said they were sending one agent, not two.
Sorry, I'm new. He's just showing me the ropes.
All right. The wall is my witness. I thought I was dead. It's about goddamn time you headquarters bastards got here.
Bitch!
It's all right. We're here now. You're safe.
You think I'm goddamn safe? That little Slocum Joes of yours is crawling with goddamn chrome dome sin sons of bitches! The front's fortified to hell and back. They placed mines all over the goddamn place.
Thank
I
him?
appreciate all you've done.
I hope it helps.
Bitch.
I really do. As soon as it's safe, I'm getting the hell out of here.
So if
So if you need anything else, better ask soon.
Alright, now I got... Can I fucking kill him? pop it between you. Oh, if y'all wondering why this shit's glowing, y'all might know already. I have like a fucking power armor upgrade on that turns all living things infrared. So I can, if y'all like, if something's over there on the roof, I'd pop it from there. Bitch.
Hey,
Well,
Alrighty.
isn't Ricky just a ray of sunshine? You think he's telling the truth?
he doesn't strike me as the dishonest type.
Yeah, that's my read too. First rule in this business is never go against your gut. So, if we take him at his word, the front door has mines, synths, and probably other fun and exciting prizes. So, we're going in through the escape tunnel.
The tunnel's got
move.
to be easier than a frontal assault.
Easier, but no cakewalk. You lead us there, pal. I got you covered.
Bastard. You saying that because I got fucking power armor on? Bitch. Alright, where do I go? Can I fast travel there? Oh, wait. I know Codsworth, my friend, is at Grey Garden. Oh, I have, fuck. Oh, my stomach hurts. I got this, kind of like shit. I don't know what it is. Where if I, like, jump, boom. It's, Deacon, you bastard. It's like explosive vents, so when I jump, like, the vents explode out and explodes anything around me. Which is kinda cool. And, leave in the comments if you want me to play,
We're
like,
in.
some
The
Dying
back
Light.
entrance is safer, but be ready for Gen
Or
1s and 2s. So it's time you learn why we're here.
Whatever else, you know, I got Second Son. If you want me to replay some Doom storyline, whatever the fuck else.
Let's find a prototype then.
Together with you, I like our odds.
All right, yeah.
Override the security lockdown.
I want to kill you so fucking bad, dude. I don't know fucking why. I just want to see what happens if I pop you in your little fucking head. What the fuck's in there? Poor man.
Well, the terminal's on at least. I'm gonna feed it some passwords. No.
Feed it something.
No. No. Ah, missed one, you cocky bastards. The prototype's deeper inside.
All
Someone
right.
left a rail sign here. This one means danger. Yeah, we know.
Yeah, we know you poor dead bastard. Fuck me, dude. These niggas has some. What the fuck are you? Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Oh, you feet though. Haven? I don't know who you are. But I honestly don't have a care. What gen are you? Because you do not look anything like me.
Wait, see the box in the center of that rail sign? That means there's a cache. Looks like Maven managed to hide something before. You know, look around. Tinker managed to turn on the defenses. Barely slowed the coursers down. Hey, probably saved some lives. I don't think you've ever seen a courser
Movement
on the
detected.
top of the line
Curious.
institute. Let's fuck up your day tech. There shouldn't be any coursers in here, but if there are, just move on.
Attacking human.
Fuck! What the hell did I do to you? You're a fucking dickwad. Oh, and I had made a video on how you can get a bunch of legendary things that I had gotten, and yeah, I was using some headphones instead of a mic, and you know I didn't have a good mic then, and so you know, I don't know, man, fucking shit. It made like a buzzing noise. It was a good video. It was kind of a long video, but it had a lot of good things in it on what and where you can get things on Fallout 4. But you could barely hear my voice over this little, it was like a big buzzing sound. And I didn't really like that. So I took the video, didn't upload the video. Let's see, blend. Likeliness, fuck that. Fuck you! Fuck her! Fucking upload, dickhead.
There we go.
Bitch, gotcha. I don't know why, but just fucking, someone will hate me. Fuck you up. Fuck you up in the ass.
Engaging hostile life form.
Oh, want a bitch? Wanna fight a bitch? Gotcha.
Bye-bye, Gen 1s.
Fair to be shocked ever.
Tunnel complex underneath it. We're entering a secret defense intelligence agency research lab, a place that never officially existed. It's called the Switchboard. The prototype is locked up in the heart of the facility.
Well, let's hurry the fuck up then. I'm going to take this fucking fusion core.
What the hell is the Defense Intelligence Agency?
It's something that fucking helps people. I shot that synth in the ass. Just straight out. Bam! You ain't shitting nothing for a week. Terminal.
Hostile sensor reading detected.
Pito.
Just getting warmed up.
Oh, I'm trying to. What the hell? Someone had explosive shits. I'm talking some explosive motherfucking shits.
How interesting.
I'm trying to learn how to I'm trying to learn Russian
Please come out.
because, you know, I got family up there, and if we go see them someday, I want to know how to fucking talk to them in Russian. That would be cool, you know? Like, say you and your family learned it, and you're out, and you're with someone, but you want to say something to your mom, but not be rude, and it's about that other person. Just fucking say it in Russian. That other person be like, what the fuck are you saying? You know? Jangles, the space, the moon monkey. I always thought that was... Fuck you, Jangles.
There's a button that can get us the hell out of here.
Where I wonder if there's a... Oh shit, you scared the bitch out of me. Does he or does he not look like the synth courser you have to fight in a little bit, or not in a little bit, in a fucking Brotherhood mission? He looks just like... Oh, fate the... Holy fucking hell. I'm almost dead. Eat that corn. Look for wild tarberry. Oh, I don't want to eat those. I get 5 rads from a fucking potato or tomato. Bastard. Just fucking wait for my health to come up. You seem cold, Kate.
Against hostile action.
Attacking enemy.
Quit playing games and come out where I
You
can see ya.
die. You.
Hold up. You hear that?
I need to make a proper intro as well, because oh, dance, dance, bitch, dance, dance, bitch, dance, bitch, dance, bitch, dance. Okay. Oh, we're so fucking going the wrong way.
Movement detected. Curious.
Oh, you son of a bitch! Don't hit me with your jerking arm. Deliverer pistol. You know, I already had this. But, hey, come on, let's... I'll try it. Kate doesn't like it too much. And it's fucking weak as hell. I'll try it against the fucking synth, okay? I'll try it against one motherfucking synth. Suck my dong, bitch. Oh, let's see it. What does it? Is it weird? Does this thing look like a curved? Oh shit. Commonwealth. Wait, what the fuck? That's supposed to go out here? I have no fucking clue. I mean, like, no fucking clue at all. Oh, if y'all are wondering what that squeaking sound is, if y'all can even hear it, I'm sitting on my bed right now. I'm recording this shit from my PS4. I don't Slocum Joe's basement. Yeah, feet the fucking hell. Okay, well, you know, you're not supposed to hidden. Okay, well, I guess you're not supposed. What the fuck? Deacon, get the hell out! Oh. I can go out there. And I was like, get the fuck out of the way!
If we make it out of here alive, I guarantee your railroad will be
Bitch! I don't care about the fucking railroad. If I had to choose between the Brotherhood or the Minutemen, you know, most likely I would choose the Brotherhood. Just because I have no stealth boy.
Nice.
Carrington's prototype and another stealth boy. What the fuck is a mini nuke?
Carrington, Stanley, Salis, Grote, Supreme Vex.
Open says me. The elevator's at the end of the hall. Should be easy to power up and get out since we already cleared the path, right?
I have a fucking feeling I'm gonna get ambushed, so I'm getting my strong. Like, fuck me, dude. I feel like I'm gonna get ambushed and jumped as soon as I get out of here. I mean, that's what I feel like. I'm also, floor. Nice fucking English, man. Also, I don't know. Oh shit, hit the mic right there. I don't know what games I'm gonna be playing much. But, you know, let's hurry up, finish this level, then I'm in the episode there. It's, no, motherfucker! Fucking hell. Fuck you, Kate. Man, I'm pissed off. Ooh, damn, something fucking... I think that was Kate. Heavy ass hitting the floor. I'm gonna have to hurry up because, you know, I only have like an hour recording time on this shit. I don't know why the hell it does that. Like, bitch. That motherfucker just fall. This is the fucking glories of having a jetpack. This shit here. I'm already away from it all. Bitch. Alright, now let's hurry up and go back to the Old North Church. Motherfucker. Is the struggle of this world merely a pleasant game for you, or do you long for a more brutal take on life? Lived post apocalypse. Want to significantly increase your damage, your weapons melee damage? Add a bayonet. No, that's like fucking Civil War shit, dude. I'm gonna be making a lot of Let's Plays now and uploading them to my channel. Yeah. Yeah. People also told me that if like one of my mics broke again, and instead of just having to hurry up and go buy another one for a video, that I could use my phone recorder, like just crop out the video part, or like just use like the sound or the voice, whatever, and use that. I don't know if you really can. And I think the audio will be terrible shit if you do. But, you know, it all depends. If I'm desperate, then I might just do like barely talk at all and just do a video that helps you find secrets and shit. I can show you how to get weapon. Someone just talked. Like, okay, oh. Like, you know, like, I can show y'all where some cool... Is that Deacon, or is that a bald
The new guy patched me up, put me on his shoulder, and blasted his way through the rest of the complex. Synths everywhere.
Carrying you the whole time?
Amazing, right?
That's one word for it. Deacon told me you single-handedly secured Carrington's prototype, disabled a minefield, and wiped out 100 Gen 1s. So is any of that true?
Mostly true, but there weren't 100 of them. And Deacon was with me the whole way.
Embellishing the truth again, are we?
She would have fallen for it, you know?
Don't flatter yourself. Still, I was expecting Deacon to grab a full team, including Glory, to secure that prototype.
No,
but
bitch.
Instead, just the two of you cleared out the entire switchboard.
You'd be insane not to sign him up, Des.
You've certainly made an impression on Deacon. He's never spoken about, or lied about, anyone so highly before. Welcome to the Railroad, Agent.
I'm not a fucking agent. Join the railroad.
Glad to be aboard.
It seems we're very lucky to have you.
That's
So
right,
you're in.
motherfucker!
Now we need to know what to call you. Secrecy keeps us alive. Code names are a part of that. So what's yours?
And FYI, Professor Fixer.
Have any suggestions?
No. It doesn't work like that. Your life, your name, your choice.
Charmer, Whisperer, Bullseye.
Call me Bullseye.
Well, from what Deacon says of your fighting skills, Bullseye seems apt. Your first official order is to deliver Dr. Carrington his prototype and see if he can use another pair of hands. But first, it's time to meet the rest of the gang. The location of our HQ is so be careful coming in or out. You never can.
I gotta pause the game real quick. Someone knocking on my door. Hold up. Alright, I'm back. There was someone at my door. Completed tradecraft.
Some of the people you meet will be institutional.
Okay.
So careful what you say.
Okay. Let's go in here. I'm gonna see. I wonder. I've never done this before, so these missions are as fucking clueless as I am.
Amenities of the switchboard, but it's safe. Taking precautions not to be surprised.
Dr. Carrington. Get the fuck up, old man! Oh, you're not that old. Chop chop. Motherfucker!
Told me to give you this.
An extraordinary feat to recover this, but that's hardly the point. Without a lick of training, and us knowing hardly anything about you, Des has invited you to join HQ. It would have been nice if she had consulted with her second-in-command. But what's done is done.
I ought to fucking pop
Since you're
you.
here now, we might as well put you to work.
Tell me what you need, Doc.
One of our field agents, Old Man Stockton, needs help with the runaway synth, H222. So headquarters, as always, puts out the fires that others can't be bothered to put out themselves. Paranoid old bat won't even tell us the problem. He insists that we get our intel from a dead drop.
Sounds like an important mission.
Important enough to get paid, you mean? Right.
It is. After Switchboard, we're so short-handed I have little choice but to throw you into the deep end. The dead drop is a mailbox with a rail sign on it. It's a common means of communication for us, so keep an eye out for them. When you make contact with Stockton, he won't give you the time of day unless you give him the proper countersign. The current sign is, do you have a Geiger counter? And the counter is, mine is in the shop. Please tell me Deacon taught you that at least.
He taught me what I need to know, including that.
It appears our resident pathological liar didn't completely neglect your training. Stockton is a prominent businessman at Bunker Hill.
Hi,
Dead
fuck
drop
you,
will be
man.
near
Ding
there.
ding ding.
Use the
ding,
escape tunnel in the
I'm gonna
back
name him
to
Ding
get there
Dong.
quicker.
Come on, Ding. Hey, bitch. Alright, dead drop. Safe house. Pointer. Ally. Cache. Danger.
I'm
Fuck
very
you,
busy.
bitch.
Unless you need my medical expertise, please bother someone else.
You're bald.
Welcome to the family. We're a colorful and arguably insane bunch. But you're stuck with us now. Speaking of which, if you don't mind a sidekick, let's keep a good thing going and travel together some more.
Let's go then.
I'm all ready to go.
Deacon, where have you been all my life, handsome?
Waiting for you, beautiful.
I'm very busy. Unless you need my medical expertise.
Alright. I will see you guys on the next episode of whatever the fuck I play. Bye.